So we talked Scout IQ, we talked Inventory Lab, we talked tactical arbitrage, we talked Smart Repricer. But Layla, is there anything that you can go over for like feedback was on how to automate? Because I know there's some really, really, really like kick-ass like automation features of feedback was that we definitely need to cover, right?
Oh yeah, so since FeedbackWhiz helps with feedback, review summaries, and you can also use it for alerts. So you can be alerted for some events that are happening in your Seller Central. You can basically automatize this review requests while being compliant with Amazon. I'd say that the main difference is that you can set up, even if you're using like the basic template, the one that is pre-built from Amazon. You can select when you want this to be sent. So based it on the type of product that you're selling. For that specific AZ, maybe 7 days after the product is delivered is a good day. But for other products, maybe food, like some supplements, maybe it's better to wait for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month
Oh,
until this
they've had a
process.
chance to try it. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. So they give you a better review. They give you an honest review, even if the product is not good. You're most likely going to see something that is actually like real. And you can also not ask, but make it to be available only for the second or third purchase, which is cool as well. So,
Oh.
okay, first buyers, I'm not interested in getting their feedback. Only a second, third, fourth, you can set this up. And for the alerts, I'd say that there are a lot of different alerts that you can set up with FeedbackWhiz, but I highly recommend trying to go for like buy block changes, listing changes, because I know that these things can affect someone very quickly if they're not paying attention on when and how this is happening. And also those review summaries that you can access, you can check them out in FeedbackWhiz. And for the alerts again, you can see and things like, okay, I want to receive an email for my profits weekly. Okay, there it goes. FeedbackWhiz will automate this process, which is also amazing. And you can understand faster what's happening and act soon.
Yeah, and
I
I know we mentioned hijacker notifications. I am not a seller, but what is hijacking when it comes to being like notified that that's happening? What does that mean?
Hijacker is when someone tries to jump on a listing for a product that you sell. This is what a hijacker is. So they're trying to do something that is not quite cool with your product that you're listing. It happens sometimes when users that are selling private label, but it can also happen with users that are selling like products that are from other brands and not their own.
Interesting. Okay. Sorry, I'm showing my ignorance, but that's a really helpful explanation. I always wondered what that meant. So, Monica, you had
Can
something to say
you?
too.
Oh, I was just gonna say, you get these alerts via email with Feedback Whiz. Do they have they do text as well, or?
No, for
Oh,
feedback
sorry, I
quiz,
thought they did.
we
We can cut
we
that.
only
Sorry.
have emails, and if you're using Slack, if you are a company and you're using Slack, you can also set up to receive notifications via Slack.
Oh, that's
But
cool.
yeah, it's cool. We have this built-in integration with let's Slack. And another thing that you can do when it comes to who's going to receive each notification, each alert, you can create different subscribers lists depending on what the notification is about, or even if you want something to go to your personal email, let's say profits, you want to go to your personal email as well. But for alerts like, oh, it's the product status change, listing, buy box, you rather them to go to your business email. You can do that. You can separate. And if you have someone working with you, for you, taking care of different um, part of your business, you can make that happen quite easy. So they don't need to access FeedbackWhiz. They're going to receive the notification and they'll do whatever is necessary. And Seller Central, as an example.
That's
Nice.
awesome.